Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing something that I have been wanting to do for a long time, and that is to shoot this gun right here. Colt Police Special 38 caliber. I'm not 100% sure this thing fires, but it looks to be in pretty good condition. I've had it since my grandfather passed away, and I remember seeing this thing in his house since I was a kid, so I don't know if it's ever, when the last time it's been shot, but I got a old box of bullets and I got this gun. So my friend Henry, he is going to the gun range today, and I'm just gonna tag along, fire this thing off, maybe fire some of his other guns off, and yeah, just have a good time. I'm psyched to go. Okay, cool. We made it to the gun range. It's a little bright out here, but whatever. Okay, so we're checked in. I got my safety glasses, safety hearing protection that I use for drumming actually. And so yeah, we're just gonna get the pistol and we're gonna just go for it. So cool. See. Pull the hammer back for the next one. Okay, so hey, we fired the gun. It worked out really well. I hit the target, so the gun still works. Cool. All right. Well, that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna head back home now. The gun shot really well. I was really happy. So, yeah. Okay. Cool. Sit down. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Okay. Well, I'm back. I'm very happy that the gun shoots, and not only does it shoots pretty accurate. I'd say about 60% of the time I hit right bullseye. So. Anyways, really glad about the gun. So I'm not going to be shooting this gun very often. I just wanted to make sure that it still worked. I did apply to get my concealed carry permit here in the state of Washington, so that should be coming in a week or so. And then I might go and get an actual handgun for kind of home defense or zombie apocalypse or something like that. Just a 9mm, I think. Thankful to my neighbor Henry. He let me shoot a bunch of his guns, and they were all felt fine, and so now I kind of have a better idea what I'm looking for. But anyways, so this was kind of a fun little video to make. So yeah, I got to get back to my puppy now. She wants to play. So okay, cool. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Kerrigan, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the camera. Before I forget, this flashlight that I flashed you guys with at first, It's the Phoenix RC11. And this little thing is awesome. USB charges magnetically, and it's 1,000 lumens. I've used this thing so much since I've got it. Anyway, anyone who's looking for a small little portable flashlight, this little Phoenix thing is awesome. I paid like $60 used for it or something on eBay. So anyways,